aalis din pala ako. Pagsasabi na lang kayo sa mata na hugasan yung pinggan. Ako na po ba? Oh, ate! Ate Sam! Uy, ate!
Ano ba yun?
Sabi ni mama, hugasan mo na yung pinggan.
Oo, mamaya hugasan ko yun.
Bahala ka dyan.
O, Samantha, hugasan mo na ba yung pinggan?
Ay, naku nga, sinabihan ko yung kanina, hindi pa nakahugas.
O, yan kasi, puro ka cellphone. Ito naman, hugasan na. Anin ko to, ang dami-dami. Bakit ba kasi mayroon pang exam? Pwede bang wala na lang assessment? Nakakainis.
Ayan na kapatid na tawag ate. Tama na muna yan, kain na muna.
Pwede ba, Abby? Akala mo ba nakakatulong ka? Akala mo ba madali to sa akin? Malis ka na!
Ano ba nangyari kanina, ma?
Inuuna kasi yung cellphone. Yun, nagka-cram. Sana wala na lang assessment.
It's a usual way of testing students and talk to draw around multiple choice tests, essays, true or false, and matching titles.
Okay, very good. And who can tell what is alternative assessment naman? Okay, Ali.
Alternative assessment focuses on how students apply what they have learned in a real-life situation.
Okay, very good, Ali. No? So when we say alternative assessment, it also refers to performance test or authentic assessment. It is a way of measuring the student can do or cannot do. Some example of alternative assessments are the project works, portfolios, and other activities that require grades. So now, may I know what do you prefer? Traditional assessment or alternative assessment? So give your insights, yes, Anna.
I prefer traditional assessment po kasi more on memorization po siya and also mas madali ko yung time ng exam kasi multiple choice or true false na po.
Okay, thank you. But who preferred here the alternative assessment? Okay, Mary?
Mas prefer ko po yung alternative assessment po kasi pwede kang gumamit ng portfolio or project para maipakita ko ano yung natutunan.
Okay, that's a good point, class, no? But always remember that both assessment is important to assess the learning of the student.
So, sige. Sino mag-report sa atin mamaya? Ikaw? Okay, sige. Sa'yo, partner mo, okay, huwag ka rin din at i-discuss mo lang. Sa'yo naman, i-discuss mo na at may important purpose. At yung iba, magpagalian mo, tapos ako yung magpagpapain mo para sa presentation natin. Kuha ba? Sige.
Tama ka pala ng kapatid ko. Ayoko na magalit sa kapatid ko. Mahal na mahal ko siya at bilang kapatid niya, gusto ko rin mapabuti ang buhay niya.
Ngayon, alam mo na Samantha na hindi lang assessment ang sinusubok ng panahon. Pati ang relasyon mo sa pamilya mo.
Ay, may exam pa pala ako.
I used to think assessment was just another burden, a task to pass, a grade to chase. But now, I see it differently. It's not about perfection, but about learning, about growth. Just like in life, struggle don't define us, how we rise above them just. Education isn't about answering questions. It's about understanding, applying, and becoming better. In the end, the lessons that matter most are not always found in the books or tests. It's in the people who stand by us. Even in our weakest moments, family isn't just about being together. It's about understanding, forgiving, and growing together. And maybe, just maybe, that's the most important lesson of all.